guys, welcome back to my channel. It's DKE Vlogs, and if you are new to this channel, welcome, feel at home, make sure you subscribe. And in today's video I'm going to show you how Ukambani looks like after raining. So it looks like this. As you can see, it is super green. You know, you might think I am somewhere in Kamba County or somewhere in Kakamega or Meru, you know. It is very green. It started raining just like last week and it turns green super quick. And when it's not raining, this place looks like, I don't know, like you can literally see through other sides. Look, let me just show you. So that is how it looks. It's very green. Look at the clouds. And actually when it's not raining, you will never see these clouds. It's always blue like that. Let me zoom. It is always blue like that. So when it's not raining, that is how the clouds look. But right now, just look how green it is. Look how green it is. So when it's not raining, you can literally see through these bushes. Like you can see the farthest end because the leaves are already shaded. And you can literally see if there is a person on the other end, you will see them. But right now, I cannot even see something that is beyond that hand there, that cock. Okay, so this is how it looks when it rains. Very green, you know. So that is how it looks after raining. Okay, super green, like, oh my god, very green, very green. Look, it gives me my home vibes. Like in Kakamega, it is green like this throughout the year. So I feel like I'm in Kakamega or somewhere in Meru or Kiambu County. Okay. And flowers bloom, you know, it gives just the entire environment beautiful and scenic views. You guys need to travel to Ukambani when it rains. Okay, if you watched this video and you liked it, and actually it's a first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe, add a comment, leave a like, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.